Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Rey Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For those of you who are taga Angeles City, you might recognize kung saan tayo ngayon. Pakita ko lang sa likod, Mark. Ayan o, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Crossings, Angeles City. And kung napadpad kayo dito guys, isa sa mga dapat nyong puntahan na tindahan
Is yung Seafood to Go.
Seafood to Go.
So makikita yung Seafood to Go sa may crossing lang. I heard na lumilipat din sila for a bigger place.
Okay, so aside from that guys, of course, we're gonna talk about the menu. We're gonna taste them, of course.
Yes, take note ito yung pinakamurang seafood na pwede mong tikman dito sa Angeles.
So if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
This is it. This is the dining area. This is where it all started. So one of their main branches po, located dito sa Crossing, Angeles City. As soon as the customer arrives, ayan, so order sila doon. Naka-prepare na yung mga plates natin. So all in all, nandito na lahat. You got your seafood ready, and then dito na lang niluluto. So if it's a takeout, nasa mga takeout boxes natin dyan. And then if it's a dine-in, so dito tayo magana, as simple as this. Dito sa likod natin. Alright, so again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Medyo pagpasensyahan nyo kasi medyo maingay yung audio natin. Kasi nga, nandito tayo sa crossing.
Mapapil nyo talaga na kakain talaga tayo sa labas.
And I think that adds up dun sa excitement sa pagkain ng mga ganitong, I mean, we miss this kind of setup, no? Anyway, so again, thank you so much Seafood to Go for inviting us.
On our table, syempre meron tayo dito yung mga single serving. At the same time, meron dito yung mga party serving dito.
So, ang single serving nila is just 150 pesos.
So imagine 150 pesos, makakakain ka na ng seafood.
I mean, a regular person can afford 150 pesos. And this is what you will get, 300 grams of seafood.
Yes.
Kapag ganito yung pagkain natin, you gotta order rice. So yung rice nila dito is just 15 pesos kung pag magda-dine-in kayo.
So if you want to take it out, syempre naman ilalagay nila sa mga ganitong packaging.
And then available din yung mga party trays nila, which is this one.
So this is a party tray. It's good for 10 to 12 packs.
Yes.
So for only 800 pesos.
So if you have an intimate event, birthday, you know, any celebration, and you want to add seafood sa table ninyo, imagine just 800 pesos. This is for 8 to 10 persons. So yun, available din pala sa kanila. Yan. They're gonna be selling this one, mga sauce nila. The best part of the vlog is always the taste test. Yan. So titikman natin to. Itong ano, yung kainan dito sa Crossing, we believe open last year of December, mga ganun, no? So it's a good thing na makatulong to sa mga livelihood ng barangay.
Yes, lalo na yung mga taga-Angeles.
Yes.
So Seafood to Go is available sa mga different branches and lugar dito sa Pampanga. So they have branches in SAPANGBATO, TOKWING, Pandacaqui, MAWAQUE, Santa Lucia, Madapdap, Go-Xevera, Mabalacat, sa Poblacion-Arayat. Meron din sila sa Capas, meron din silang Dapdap sa Bamban, meron din silang Rivera sa Dawu. Available din sila sa San Nicolas, San Francisco, and Santo Niño. Sa mga partners naman nila na restaurant, sa Modern Hapag, and sa Fabio's Grill.
Yes. So we mentioned those branches nila, no? Consider the fact and commend them na they just opened last year. Imagine in a span of just 5 months, they have around 20 branches na talagang trusted yung taste, the service, mga ganyan. So again, if you are interested to do business po, invest your money with them. They are open for franchise. Reiterate ko lang guys kung ano yung nasa plate natin. This is 150 pesos seafood.
Yes.
Imagine. So meron tayong mussels, clams, you have your crabs, meron din tayong pusit, shrimp. Yan. And overflowing yung ano natin dito, yung cajun sauce natin. Yes. No? Ayan. So let me start with the mussels, yung tahong. Yan na.
Pero one thing I noticed here, ang sarap nga nung sauce. At the same time, yung lasa niya, hindi na rin siya lumalayo doon sa mga mamahaling seafood na restaurant.
Yes, yeah. Okay, very well said actually. Isa sa mga pinagmamalaki nila is of course very affordable.
Yes.
Imagine 150 pesos, you can eat the seafood, no? Pero it is comparable na sa mga bigating restaurant. And again, if you notice yung dining area nila dito, it's pangmasa.
Yes.
Anybody can come. So, ako this is an honest opinion, considering the price talaga. Sulit na yung 150 pesos mo.
Kung ikaw yung type of person na medyo tight sa budget, pero gusto mong kumain ng seafood, actually sulit na nga to for only 150 pesos.
And siguro sa mga, like for example, if you're a couple sa bahay, if you're a family of 3, meron kayong isang anak, mga ganyan, hindi ka na magluluto, kumain ka pa ng seafood.
Agkatanda ko pumunta Kening Seafood to Go Crossing Branch. Visit our branches near you and we are open for franchise. You can message us on our page, Seafood to Go.
Alright, so there you have it guys, 150 pesos seafood. Imagine, who could have thought that's available for us. So guys, if you're interested to know more about this or you got interested in the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to search Seafood to Go. So, hanapin niyo po yung pinakamalapit na branches nila sa lugar ninyo. Just search Seafood to Go sa Facebook.
So if you want to have business with them, you could contact their Facebook fan page, Seafood to Go, or contact yung number na ilalagay namin sa description.
There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.